We offer an efficient, personal and friendly accountancy service to individuals, small and medium-sized businesses, because we consider that it is now more important than ever to provide clients with up-to-date information.
VAT, as in so many aspects of our business environment, VAT has become increasingly onerous and worthy of careful consideration by all businesses.
It is particularly important for property transactions and those operating partially exempt VAT schemes, where recent changes to the rules must be observed. The recent merger of the Inland Revenue and Customs and Excise is bound to widen the scope of information available to both parties. Expect a corresponding increase in VAT inspections and investigations.
However, on a more positive note, careful and proactive VAT planning is possible within the UK. We are very keen to assist with this and all other aspects of this wide-ranging and difficult area of indirect tax. Payroll. Government legislation has placed an ever-increasing burden on employers large and small. Every payroll must be confidential and efficient whilst ensuring that it is fast and flexible.
Employment law is inevitably complicated and lengthy, but the consequences of failing to meet your obligations as an employer have never been more serious. We can either advise you ourselves or refer you where necessary to a specialist.
Bookkeeping and accounts is often the neglected department in any business. However, accurate bookkeeping is the cornerstone of solid financial management information.
Personal tax. The self-assessed tax system has been in existence for some time now in the UK. HM Revenue and Customs can provide assistance with the completion of tax returns, but the complexity of our tax regime does not favor a good approach.
It is important to remember that the current tax system places the onus firmly on the taxpayer to provide timely and complete information on their tax return. There are penalties and fines for failure to comply, and ignorance is no excuse.
Corporate tax. Although the tax regime for small companies has been simplified and the rate of corporation tax has been reduced, this remains an area of concern for all incorporated businesses.
An increasingly regulated sector of the tax system, corporate tax involves time and money if companies are to avoid investigation and meet their compliance obligations.
Accounts and audit. All businesses large and small face challenges that are constantly changing. One facet of running a business that remains an absolute is the need to maintain a firm grip of finances.
The most important part of our service is to provide you with accurate and up-to-date accounts so that you have information you need to make your business a success. The accounts will provide you with a snapshot of the financial health of the business and its profitability. These are key elements in the decision-making process.
Tax investigations. The government has poured greater resources into compliance and investigation and has pledged to press ahead with even greater efforts to collect every penny of tax. Tax evasion and avoidance is a hot topic.
Don't get caught up in an unnecessary tax investigation. Make sure that you meet the deadlines and take expert advice where there is any doubt about your tax position.
This is a very valuable service that can provide a safe pair of hands at a very difficult time. Our experience in dealing with revenue investigations is extensive and will certainly benefit any client who is in this unfortunate position.